2024 is here, and this is how to set your goals for this year. I don't want to waste your time, so let's jump straight into it. I want you to grab a piece of paper and a pen, or open the Note app on your phone, or a notepad on your PC, whatever, and write down 10 goals that you would like to accomplish by the end of this year. It could be running a marathon, reading 20 books, learning how to play the guitar, earning $5,000 a month, getting in shape, travel the world, getting a perfect score at your exams, whatever. Write these 10 goals right now. So pause this video and do it right now. Actually, right now. Okay, now that you have written down your 10 goals, I want you to take a look over them and circle the 3 most important ones. So only the 3 most important goals that would bring you satisfaction if you accomplish them by the end of 2024. These are your most important ones, your main goals, your true purpose, you know? And now that you have encircled them, I want you to strike through over the last 7 goals. This will help you visualize. This will get them out of your mind and help you visualize the 3 most important goals, because the last 7, they actually are holding you back from accomplishing these 3 main goals. For example, last year I set some random goal of hitting an ELO of 1500 on chess.com, and this actually held me back for a little bit because it was not one of my main purposes. It was not my main goal. It was just nice to hit 1500 ELO on chess.com, but it was not the thing that I craved deep inside. It was not what my core essential purpose was, you know? All right. Now that you have your 3 most important goals for this year, I want you to write action goals for them. Because the thing is, you could have written something like getting to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is one of my goals. And what is the action goal? So applying the 80-20 rule, what is the 20% of inputs that will give me the 80% of the output? This would be simply posting 50 videos. And by applying the 80-20 rule, the most important things are to record, maybe even write a script, record, then editing and the rest, you know? So write down the action goals. If you want to get better grades, I don't know, solve 50 tasks. If you want to scale your business from $500 a month to $2,000, $3,000 a month, your action goal could be making 100 cold calls every single day, or sending 100 emails every single day, you know? So you have your goals and your yearly action goals. So following my previous example with the YouTube channel, you have to post 50 videos by the end of the year. Now divide that by 4. It's gonna be like 12 and a half, if my math is not wrong, 12 and a half videos every single 3 months. This will help you manage your goals better, because it's one thing to have your action goals in one whole year. It's other thing to visualize your action goals from January the 1st until April the 1st, let's say, for simply 3 months. You can take this a step further by dividing your action goals by 3. You have your monthly goals, then you can go to even weekly and perhaps daily goals. This is going to be fantastic because you're going to know what exactly you have to do every single day in order to hit the spot and achieve your goals. All right, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to drop a like. And if you want to see my transformation, check out my last video posted on this channel It's going to be linked in the description down below. See you next time.